7 billion barrels of oil found in Jamaica. No, seriously. So for almost 80 years, these people have been searching for oil on and offshore Jamaica, and them finally found it. The British-owned Oil and Gas and the Jamaican Petroleum Corporation organized an investor meeting at the Jamaican High Commission in London. Right? That right there, sir, is a dead giveaway that them ready to start signing up paperwork for start production of the oil they found in Jamaican territory. 7 billion barrels of oil, and them a search feed from the 1950s, and them finally find it. Shouldn't there be a celebration? No, the man them not too want say nothing. That's why we never see it on the front page or on the news, though. This happened around the time Vybz Kartel got out, so conspiracy theorists are saying them release Kartel for a distraction. But maybe the reason them not broadcast it is because them need for dig for samples. Digging for samples is the next step for verify that it is indeed oil. If it is indeed oil, it is valued at $3.5 trillion. Trillion. Back in 2015, oil was found in Guyana and they had unbelievable GDP growth. And they're saying that the oil found in Jamaica is comparable. So what does that mean for Jamaica? Imagine what that means for Jamaica. Follow me for part 2 so we can talk about it.